Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a fairly hot topic that literally everyone's heard of already. It's ChatGPT. Once again, now you've heard of it and there's a good chance you're probably already using it. But I want to bet that you don't know all the key strategies and all the ways to actually get the most out of ChatGPT. And that's what we're going to go over today. So let's start by understanding what ChatGPT is for those who haven't gotten around to using it. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. It's more than just a text generator. It's a tool that actually responds to your user's input. But the difference is that what it outputs usually sounds and looks like a human. So a lot of people actually have conversations with ChatGPT, and you'll sometimes find yourself conversing with it and using polite language. It's like, hey, ChatGPT, can you please do blank for me? Something you wouldn't actually do with other AI models that sounds more robotic. So it is kind of interesting how human-like the responses are. What that means is you can use this to your advantage because ChatGPT, when it sounds like a human, can help you in a wide variety of marketing tasks such as copywriting, script writing, ad copywritings, and so much more. Next, we're going to talk about prompts. Prompts, they're the key to unlocking ChatGPT's full potential. And think of prompts as like ingredients, okay? Well, anyone can cook, but a chef can take the same ingredients and cook you a 5 Michelin star meal. Prompts are kind of like that. And whatever you put in is exactly what you're going to get out. So you want to spend time to learn how to write specific prompts instead of being too generic. I'll just give you an example. Let's say you tell ChatGPT, hey, ChatGPT, I want you to write me an article talking about how to do SEO in 2024. You see, that's very vague that the AI doesn't really know how to go about that. Instead, imagine if your prompt goes like this. ChatGPT, you are the world's best SEO marketer. I want you to write a 3,000-word article specific to marketing agencies, teaching them all the new strategies and new updates from Google. In this article, I want you to cover, now just list out a bunch of topics, and make sure to optimize this article for blank keywords. Use a friendly tone, etc., etc., etc. Now, I'm not going to finish that prompt, but you can see what I mean by how the prompt is a lot more specific, and what you're going to get out of that is something much, much better. So when you write prompts, be sure to be as specific as possible. The best application of marketing right now for ChatGPT is in content creation and actually brainstorming. There is absolutely no better coworker or co-founder right now that can help you come up with new ideas. So when you're using ChatGPT, the fact that it responds to you like a human is a huge advantage. It means that you're more likely to actually talk to it more frequently, and you should do that. What we do here at Penji is we actually utilize ChatGPT to converse with us, brainstorm new ideas, and help us come up with new, interesting, and unique content. And sometimes we play around with personalities and roles. What's really interesting is you can give ChatGPT specific persona, specific profiles, you could say, and have it write content or respond in that persona. Try it, you'd be surprised. Here's an example on how you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm. ChatGPT, I want you to imagine you are Ariana Grande, or imagine you're Michael Jackson, and I need you to write some lyrics for me. Write me 2 lyrics for this upcoming Valentine's Day song that I want to write, and write 1 lyric that is in the voice, personality as Ariana Grande, and another lyric in the persona of Michael Jackson. See how I did that? Now, what about a business use? What I would do sometimes is I would say, okay, ChatGPT, imagine you are Elon Musk and you are my advisor right now. How would you go about making blank decisions? Now, these are not full complete prompts, but it's rough ideas to give you started on them. Generating content for social media is the easiest application of ChatGPT. Now, if you're a brand, most companies, you have a specific voice and a specific audience that you're writing this content for. So what I would recommend you do is within your prompt, tell ChatGPT exactly what your company is, who exactly you're targeting, and then have it write content for each of your social media accounts and posts. So that way it keeps the same linear brand messaging. That's what we do. Crafting compelling ad copy. Well, ChatGPT, once again, is perfect for helping you craft better Google, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Whatever ads you need to write copy for, it's perfect for that. But I would go one step further. Instead of just having it create ad copies for you, have it create the entire funnel for you. Have it create the copy for the landing page, the various ads and the various funnels, the email chain, the lead capture. Have it do the whole thing. So that way it maintains the brand message consistency. Another great use of ChatGPT is enhancing your brand's messaging. When was the last time you went back and actually update the copy on your website? Probably 10 years ago, right? Well, there's no better time than now. Just copy and paste your copy into ChatGPT and just ask it to do a refresh for you. If you have the paid version of ChatGPT, you could just put your domain name in and ask it to rewrite the copy, and it's going to generate newer copy for you without having to copy and paste. My final thoughts on this: ChatGPT is obviously a game changer, but just know it's not a replacement for human creativity. So don't go letting go of people in your office just yet. You still need people to help vet a lot of these ideas. What I see a lot of marketers do wrong is they rely too much on ChatGPT, and what ends up happening over time is, well, it's good for helping you brainstorm ideas, but somebody needs to review, edit, and make it sound unique. Because once you start using ChatGPT a lot, you'll notice it starts to use the same verbiage, the same paragraphs, the same way to describe things. So eventually, if you rely strictly on AI to create content for you, you're not going to sound as unique as somebody who has a marketer who uses ChatGPT to augment their creativity. If you like what you see here, head over to our website and sign up for our ChatGPT Masterclass so you can learn all the insiders' tips, tricks, and secrets on how to make ChatGPT accelerate your business. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. We upload videos weekly, so tune in next week for our next episode on how to augment AI for your business. See you in the next one.